Let's define a smart contract. If a cryptocurrency is a piece of software that enables two parties to exchange wealth, a smart contract is a piece of software that enables those two parties to set in advance the rules for that exchange of wealth. Think of it like a digital vending machine. Smart contracts were actually proposed as an idea long before Bitcoin. I think 1994, Nick Szabo came along and he has this terrific definition of a smart contract: a set of promises specified in digital form, including protocols within which the parties perform these promises. So along comes Bitcoin in 2009, and that's a cryptocurrency, it's the first one. And around 2015, technologies like Ethereum go live, where thinkers like Vitalik Buterin say, you know, this technology can act like a digital vending machine that sets the rules in advance before a value is exchanged. So think of a real estate contract, think of an insurance policy, think of a financial services instrument like an option or a derivative. Think of entertainment, think of movies, think of Uber. These are all exchanges of wealth where some certain prerequisites are in place, and if they are met, then the transfer of wealth is triggered. And smart contracts do all of this without a middle party. So what is the problem set that smart contracts were invented to solve? Well, out there in the world today, there's a problem set that encompasses the following elements. One is censorship. Two is control of data. And three is that there's a middle party that's engaging in some difficult behavior. So let's take those one at a time. Censorship. Go out there on a lot of platforms today, whether it's bank or it's a social media platform or Amazon, and it's not as simple as you can get on there without permission and you can engage in behavior and express yourself. It is often the case that folks are facing censorship or permissioned access. Smart contracts come along and overcome that. The second is control of data. When you jump on an Uber, when you go on Amazon, when you go on social media, wherever you're going out in the world, your data is out there. It's being grabbed, often without your sort of knowledge or permission, and it's being monetized. And smart contracts bear the promise of perhaps allowing a different experience where your data is accessible only with your permission, and if your data is to be accessed with your permission, you are given a payment for that. And the other problem that smart contracts solve is that there's often a third party getting between you and someone that you want to communicate with or interact with, and they're taking money. So think of a YouTuber who's expressing to you and you're watching, and there's a middle party called YouTube that stands between you and extracts money for advertising revenue. Same with Uber, same with Apple, same with all of the modern platforms. A smart contract would disintermediate that relationship and allow Alice and Bob to connect, driver to passenger, YouTuber to audience member, one social media participant to another. There is no middle party. That middle party is now a piece of software.